In some other news, the Jammu and Kashmir administration order banning movement of civilian traffic on the highway between Jammu and Srinagar has evoked a sharp reaction from politicians in the valley. According to the ban, no civilian traffic would be allowed during the movement of the paramilitary forces on Sunday and Wednesday. PDP chief Mehbooba Mufti said that she would challenge the government's order in court, urging people to defy the ban on civilian traffic. She even participated in a protest rally defying the orders, while National Conference chief Farooq Abdullah has termed the ban to be quote-unquote atrocious. The Jammu and Kashmir High Court has asked the state government to file its reply on this petition opposing the lockdown that has been filed by bureaucrat turned politician Shah Faisal. And hearing of the case will begin today.
आप कश्मीरियों को इस तरह नहीं दबा सकते हैं। ये हमारी रियासत है, ये सड़कें हमारी हैं, ये कश्मीरियों की सड़कें। हमें पूरा हक बनता है जब जिस वक्त हम चाहें इन सड़कों पे चल सकते हैं हम। और इसके साथ हमारे बच्चे, अभी आपने देखा पैदल हमारे बच्चियां जा रही हैं, कॉलेज जा रहे हैं, स्कूल जा रहे हैं, एग्जाम्स हैं। मेरी सारी लोगों से गुजारिश है कि इस बैन को मत मानिए, इस बैन को डिफाई कीजिए और जहां जाना है वहां जाइए। और हम अदालत में भी इस बैन के खिलाफ जा रहे हैं।
क्या सिर्फ कहीं पे लिखा हुआ है कि सिर्फ संडे और वेंसडे को खतरा होगा और हफ्ते के बाकी 5 दिन खतरा नहीं होगा? हम बाकी दिनों पे भी हाईवे पे कॉन्वॉय देखते हैं। हाईवे जो है बाकी 5 दिन जो है सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस के चलने के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा है। तो फिर इन 2 दिनों के लिए हाईवे को बंद करने की क्या जरूरत है? मैं एक बार फिर, हालांकि ये बार मैं कह रहा हूँ, लेकिन एक बार फिर क्योंकि आज इसका असर हमें देखने को मिल रहा है, हम गवर्नर साहब से एक बार फिर गुजारिश करते हैं कि मेहरबानी करके ये फैसला जो है ये गलत था। ये फैसला जो है एक बहुत मुश्किल फैसला है जो आपने लोगों को मुश्किल में डाला हुआ है। इस फैसले को आप वापस ले लीजिए।
Okay, so the PDP and the National Conference calling this undemocratic and anti-people. Shuja ul Haq joins us for more on this. Shuja, we just heard those voices there from Mehbooba Mufti and Umar Abdullah. They are seeking revocation of the ban on the Jammu and Kashmir highway. But tell me something, what about the army? Are they restricting its convoy movement on the highway only on Wednesday and Sunday? Is it being open now to the civilian on other days and even on Wednesday and Sunday?
Well, Avantika, this entire process seems to be very difficult, at least for civilians in Kashmir Valley. Initially, we had heard that this order was to ensure that these convoy movements will only happen on these 2 days, and the rest of the days would probably not have any convoy movements. But that hasn't really happened. We are seeing the army and the other military forces still using the same convoys for the other days as well, and that's exactly the point that Umar Abdullah was also making in his remark, saying that if the convoys are moving on the other days also, how is it that it suffices the point of security for these convoys when if for the rest of the days they move with the same civilian vehicles? So overall, this entire order for a lot of people on the ground here in Kashmir seems to be flawed, particularly for the fact that this is an highway which connects Kashmir with the rest of the country. Not just that, there are districts, areas within Kashmir which are connected with each other because of this highway only. So if this highway is choked, a lot of people will suffer, and that's what we saw on the first day, on Sunday.
Right.
Though it was a Sunday and a lot of people preferred to remain home on Wednesday, which is tomorrow, we are expecting that it is going to create more chaos because a lot of people will have to go to their work, people will have to go to schools. So it is definitely a difficult situation on the ground.
Indeed, a complicated issue there coming up for the armed forces and for the civilians of Jammu and Kashmir. Thanks so much for joining us, Shuja ul Haq.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.